It wasn't too long ago that we sat in meetings declaring user experience as the next big differentiator, the holy grail of customer satisfaction. Fast forward, and that conversation is no longer about next. UX is now the cornerstone of competitive advantage. But the horizon is shifting again, becoming more intricate, personal, and even less predictable. Today, let's dig into where UX is headed, not through buzzwords, but through the real shifts reshaping how businesses connect with people. This isn't just about AI, though it'll play a role. This is about crafting experiences so seamless and rooted in human behavior that they feel like magic. And let's get one thing straight. Magic doesn't happen by chance. It's the result of thoughtful engineering, empathy, and strategic foresight. Personalization. It's a word that's thrown around in every marketing pitch. But let's be real. Most brands barely scratch the surface. Sending a targeted email or recommending a product isn't true personalization. True personalization means knowing your users so well that you can predict their needs, not just react to them. Think about your favorite barista. They don't just know your coffee order. They ask about your day when you seem off. That's what personalization feels like. And digital experiences can mirror that when done right. Take Netflix. Their recommendation engine doesn't just throw trending shows at you. It builds an emotional map of your preferences, learning when you need a comedy to unwind or a thriller to keep you on edge. This is personalization done right. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room, privacy. Users today are more aware of their data than ever before. Data transparency is no longer optional. If brands want users to trust them, they must clearly communicate why data is collected and what value users get in return. It's a relationship built on mutual respect. Now, let's talk about predictive UX. It's still young, but it's already making waves. Predictive UX aims to meet users' needs before they even realize them. Ever started typing a Google search and had it finish your thought? Sometimes it's eerily accurate, other times hilariously wrong. That's predictive UX in action, powerful when used with care. Think of a banking app. Imagine it suggesting a savings transfer right before you're about to overspend. It feels like a gentle nudge, saving you time and helping you stay on track. But go too far, push irrelevant suggestions, and it's just annoying. Predictive UX needs moderation to succeed. And then there's seamless cross-platform continuity. How many of you have switched devices while browsing and lost your place? Frustrating, right? True cross-platform continuity isn't a new concept, but few brands execute it well. Apple nails this. Move from your iPhone to your MacBook, and everything follows. Your messages, browsing, notes. It's not just convenience, it's trust. It tells users, your time and continuity matter to us. For businesses, achieving this isn't easy. It requires deeply integrated systems and relentless testing. But the payoff is huge. User loyalty that's nearly unbreakable. Let's quickly touch on AR and VR. These technologies are more than just novelties. They're becoming essential to UX. IKEA's AR feature lets you see how furniture looks in your space before buying. It's practical, interactive, and builds confidence in your purchase. As AR and VR evolve, they'll redefine how we interact with brands, creating immersive experiences that go beyond the screen. Here's the reality. None of this is easy. Personalization, predictive UX, and seamless transitions sound great in theory, but operational challenges are immense. Take personalization. It's not about patching together data. It's about cohesive analytics and understanding what users truly want. Too many brands fall into the trap of guessing rather than truly listening. And let's not forget resistance to change. Shifting to user-centric values isn't always welcomed internally. The key is framing these changes as opportunities for growth, something your team can get excited about. At the heart of it all is emotional UX. Users aren't robots. They're emotional beings, making decisions based on how a brand makes them feel. Imagine an app that tracks your goals and celebrates your milestones in a way that feels genuine, not cheesy. It's the difference between a tool you use and an experience you love. Emotional UX is about making digital tools feel like extensions of ourselves. And onboarding, it's not glamorous, but it's crucial. A welcoming, clear onboarding sets the tone for the entire user journey. Nail this, and you're already building trust. The future of UX isn't about flashy features or gimmicks. It's about creating meaningful interactions that are personalized, predictive, and seamlessly integrated. We need to remember that behind every click, every swipe, every interaction, there's a person with goals, needs, and emotions. Technology enables the connection, but the real magic comes from understanding the human on the other side. So let me ask you this. Where does your brand stand in this evolving UX landscape? Are you reacting to what users do, or are you thinking ahead, designing experiences that feel like an extension of who they are? That's where the magic lies. If this video gave you something to think about, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more content on digital, marketing, tech, leadership, and AI. Check out my blog at caffeinatedmusings.com and tune into the podcast every Tuesday on Apple Music and Spotify. Let's design for the future together.